welcome to today's maths class, and today we'll do area, perimeter and volumes. As you know that the figure is always drawn on a plane. You also know that the closed figure enclosed a certain part of a plane. The enclosed part of the plane form the interior region of the figure, and the rest of the plane form the exterior region enclosed by the figure is called as area. Observe the following figures carefully and identify the interior region of each figure and color it the way you want using crayons. So, interior region, this is the interior region. The region enclosed by each figure which you just have colored is the area of the figure. Just like the above figure, each and every surface have a definite area. The region bounded by the edges of a tabletop defines its area. The region bounded by the edges of the paper is the area of the paper. The boundary walls of your house enclose the area of the piece of land your house is built, and so on. Look closely and you will discover many more examples of real surface having an area. Next is standard unit of area. The standard unit for measuring area is square meter or square meter. We can write in both way. So, area की जो standard unit है that is square meter. Can you express 1 square meter in square centimeter? Yes. Remember, 1 meter that is equals to 100 centimeter. So, 1 square meter that is equals to 100 into 100 square centimeter. Clear? So, 1 square centimeter that is equals to 1 square meter here. That is equals to 10,000 square centimeter. Next is area of a rectangle. Let us consider a rectangle with the length 6 centimeter and breadth 4 centimeter. Now divide into square whose size is 1 centimeter. Clearly, the area of each square is 1 square centimeter. Count the number of square in the rectangle. So, area of rectangle क्या हो जाएगा? Area of 24 square यानी 24 square centimeter. Did you notice that 6 centimeter into 4 centimeter which are the side of rectangle? So, 6 into 4 that is 24. Area of the rectangle length into breadth square unit. If the area is represented by A, capital A, so formula क्या हो जाएगा? Area का L into B. As it follows that length हो जाएगी area upon breadth unit and breadth equals to area upon length unit. Now, we will take an example. Find the area of rectangle if its length is 12 centimeter and breadth is 7 centimeter. So, we have length and breadth. We know area equals to L into B. So, 12 into 7 that is 84 square centimeter. Area is always expressed in square units. Next is area of square. Area of square, square का area कैसे निकालते हैं? In fact, the square is a special kind of rectangle having all its sides equal. Square में जितनी भी sides होती है, all 4 sides are equal. There is no longer or the shorter side. So, the area of square is obtained by finding the product of any of its two sides. So, area of square side into side. Here the area of square ABCD. Square ABCD का अगर हमें area find out करना है, that is equals to AC multiply by CD. AC multiply by CD. Since AC किसके equal है? CD के. So, we can write the area of ABCD that is equals to AC into AC. For finding the area of square, always remember the measure of both sides into the same unit. So, the area of square length into length square unit, side into side square unit, A equals to L into L square unit, L square unit. Clear? Next is exercise 9.1. Find the area of rectangle whose sides is length is given 20 centimeter and breadth is given 12 centimeter. First, we will check both the units are same. Yes. So, now area equals to L into B. Length is given here 20 centimeter and breadth is given 12 centimeter. So, that is equals to 240 square centimeter. That is the area of given rectangle. Next is Area of composite figure having the rectangles and square. We have learned how to find the area of the square and rectangle, but every figure cannot be simple as the square or a rectangle. There are figures which are formed by combination of two or more rectangle or square or both. Look at this square which has been divided into half along the diagonal. So the area of square क्या हो जाएगा? Side into side square unit. So area of half square, that is equals to 1/2 into side square unit, but each half of the rectangle is a triangle. So इसने क्या किया है? जो diagonal है इसको 2 triangle में divide कर रहा है. Hence the area of square, that is equals to 2 into area of triangle. Let us see if this is true for the rectangle or not. Divide the rectangle into 2 half along the diagonal. The 2 triangle can be overlapped on each other if cut and rotated. That means that the 2 triangles are equal area. Hence the area of each triangle, that is equals to 1/2 area of the rectangle. Next we'll take an example. Find the area of adjoining figure. So adjoining figure is the floor of L-shaped room. To find the area of the floor, we divide it into 2 rectangle marked as L and M. 2 rectangle में divide किया है. One is this L और एक ये है M. Clear? So first we'll find out the area of L and M separately. Then we'll add the 2 to find the area of total floor. Thus the area of the rectangle L, that is equals to 9 into 6. So हो जाएगा 9 multiplied by 6. Clear? 54 square meter. Area of rectangle, that is equals to 4 meter multiplied by 1.5 meter. That is equals to 6 square meter. So total area of floor क्या हो जाएगा? 54 plus 6, that is 60 square meter. Clear? Next is, some more examples are given here. You have to practice all the examples. Practice all the given example. It will help you to understand the concept better. Next is exercise 9.2. Find the area of given figure. So what we'll do? First we'll divide the given figure into rectangles. Here 1 and 2. Clear? So first rectangle की बात करते हैं. L into B, that is the area. So area हो जाएगा length, that is 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter we have to convert into meter, that is equals to 0.1 meter. Multiply by how much is breadth? 12 minus 2, that is 10 meter. So that is equals to 1 square meter. Now area of this. So area equals to again L into B. Here the L is 3 meter into B is 2 meter. 6 meter square. Clear? Or we can write 6 square meter. Add कर देंगे दोनों को. So total area क्या हो जाएगा? Total area equals to 6 plus 1, that is 7 square meter. Clear? Next is perimeter of a rectangle. A rectangle is a simple close made up of 4 line segment. Rectangle क्या है? एक close figure है जो कि 4 line segment से बना है. The line segments are called the side of rectangle. ABCD is a rectangle. The side AB and CD are called the length of rectangle, and BC and AD are called the breadth of the rectangle. This is a rectangle. 4 sides है. So AB and CD, they are called the length of rectangle, and AD and BC, they are called the breadth of rectangle. In the rectangle, both the lengths are equal. Opposite sides equal होती है. So AB equals to CD हो जाएगा. Both the breadths are equal means BC equals to AD. So the total length of all 4 sides are called the perimeter of the rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पे? AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. So AB plus BC plus AB plus BC, because AB किसके equal है? CD के, and BC equals to AD. So that is equals to 2 length plus 2 breadth. So perimeter of rectangle क्या हो जाएगा? 2 into length plus breadth. This is written as simple as P equals to 2 multiplied by L plus B, where P is the parameter, L is the length and B is the breadth of rectangle. Next is perimeter of square. A square is a simple closed figure made up of 4 line segments. PQRS is a square. Its perimeter can be found by adding the length of all 4 sides. So perimeter of square क्या हो जाएगा? PQ plus QR plus RS plus SP means length of all 4 sides. उसका sum जो है that is perimeter. So here all 4 sides are equal, so we can write PQ plus PQ plus PQ plus PQ because all 4 sides are equal. So that is equals to 4 into PQ. This is written as symbol as P equals to 4 into S, where P is the parameter, S is the side of square. Now we'll take an example. Find the perimeter of rectangle with length 12 cm and breadth 5 cm. So here length and breadth are given. As we know, perimeter of the rectangle, that is equals to 2 into L plus B. So we'll put the respective value. 2 into 12 plus 5, that is 2 into 17, that is 34 cm. That is the perimeter of given rectangle. Next is exercise 9.3. Find the perimeter of rectangle whose length is given 3 cm and breadth is 2 cm. So as we know, perimeter rectangle, that is 2 L plus B. So we'll put the value P equals to 2. Length is given here 3 cm and breadth is 2 cm. So 3 plus 2. So P equals to हो जाएगा 3 plus 2 5 into 2, that is 10 centimeter. That is the perimeter of given rectangle. Clear? Next is volume. Plane figures such as square, triangle and rectangle occupy space called area. Solid objects such as duster, pencil box, dice and ball occupy more space as they have thickness. These objects can actually be thought of as container which can hold some capacity or the volume. The three measurement of length, breadth and thickness are called the three dimension of the object. Next is volume of a cube. So first we will find out the volume of cube. A shape which has the same length, breadth and height is called the cube. Cube में जितनी भी faces होती है, they all are square means equal होंगी. It is made up of 6 square faces jointed together. We say that the side of cube that is equals to A unit. That means volume क्या हो जाएगा? A into A into A cubic unit. That is the volume of the cube. It can also be written as A cube. Volume equals to हो जाएगा A into A into A, that is A cube or A is to power 3. Now we'll take an example. Find the volume of this figure. Length is given 4 units, breadth is given 4 units and height is given 4 units. As we know, volume equals to L into B into H. So 4 into 4 into 4, that is 64 cubic unit. Here each layer is built with 4 rows and each row have 4 cubes. Therefore, there are 4 into 4 16 cube in a layer and there are 4 into 4 into 4 64 cube in total. So its volume क्या हो जाएगा? 64 cubic centimeter or 64 centimeter cube. Next is volume of cuboid. This is a cuboid. The volume of cuboid is also found the same way. However, unlike the cube, the side of cuboids are not the same measure. In cuboid, opposite faces are equal. So look at this cuboid. Its length, breadth and height are different. So before trying and find out its volume, you should measure each side carefully. A cuboid can also be made by using the cubes. Look at this. This cuboid has a length 3 unit, breadth 1 unit and height of 1 unit. So volume क्या हो जाएगा? L into B into H means 3 multiply 1 into 1, that is 3 cubic unit. The standard unit for measurement of volume is cubic centimeter or CUCM, means cubic centimeter. Let us express cubic centimeter into cubic millimeter. अगर cubic centimeter को हमें cubic millimeter में convert करना है, as we know 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter. 1 cubic centimeter means 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. Millimeter cubic millimeter में convert करना है means 10 into 10 into 10. So 1 cubic centimeter equals to 1000 cubic millimeter. Now again we'll take an example. Find the volume of the cube of H 5 centimeter. So volume क्या हो जाएगा? H into H into H. So that is equals to 5 into 5 into 5, that is 125 centimeter cube. That is the volume of cube. Clear? Next is exercise 9.4. Find the volume of cube whose edge is given 5 centimeter. So volume of a cube, that is equals to side into side into side or side cube. So that is equals to 5 into 5 into 5. 125 centimeter cube. Clear? So that is the volume. Next is chapter test, multiple choice questions. Take the right answer. If the side of the square is 9, then the area, as we know, area of the square, that is equals to side into side, means 9 into 9. So A is the correct option here. So here we end the chapter. I hope chapter आपको अच्छे से समझ में आ गया होगा. Now you have to practice it.